Welcome to RightPath, your ultimate partner in navigating the IT career landscape. At RightPath, we specialize in empowering IT professionals and organizations with precise assessments and insightful guidance. Our platform offers customizable assessments, allowing you to tailor evaluations to specific skills and competencies, ensuring relevance and accuracy. With real-time performance analytics, gain immediate insights into strengths and areas for improvement, facilitating targeted development. Experience seamless integration with your current systems, streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. We prioritize your data's security, providing a safe and confidential environment for all your assessment needs. Get started with the Gold Plan and unlock your path to success. Sign up now with RightEpith. To sign up, enter your name, password, college name, department, email, and phone number. Fill in the details and register with RightEpith to get started. Once you complete the sign-up, you'll be redirected to the login page. Use your email and password to access your student profile. Once you've completed the login, you can select your skill areas, such as front-end frameworks, data management, cloud computing, data and analytics, programming languages, and more, to enhance your knowledge with the Gold Plan. Once you choose your skill area, you'll be directed to the payment page to complete your Gold Plan subscription. After completing the payment, you'll be taken to your profile dashboard. In the dashboard, users can update their details such as college information, upload their resume, and their profile will be updated instantly. Inside the dashboard, you can track your test progress, view the skills you've chosen with your plan, and explore even more features. For every skill you've chosen, you'll get a detailed syllabus to help you understand what you'll be learning. Once you've reviewed the syllabus, dive into the mock exams and start learning right away. Get started with the mock exam. Each mock exam includes a set number of questions with various types such as multiple choice, multiple response, true or false, and fill in the blanks. Answer each question one by one until you've completed the exam. The test is designed based on the syllabus and includes a variety of questions, both coding and theoretical. Take your time to read each question carefully and answer them thoughtfully. Stay focused on every question to do your best. Before submitting the test, take a moment to review the summary. Check which questions you've answered and which ones are still unanswered. If you find any unanswered questions, feel free to go back and complete them before submitting your test. After submitting the test, you can review each question along with the correct answer and a detailed explanation. This feature is available for all mock tests, helping you understand and learn from each question. Complete all the mock exams to fully prepare and strengthen your skills. After completing the initial mock test, I proceeded to complete the remaining mock tests one by one. I was able to answer the questions correctly, and I found the content to be well aligned with the syllabus and the relevant subjects. Then, the user can move on to the practice tests for the selected skills. These practice tests include a set number of questions and feature a variety of question types, such as multiple choice (MCQ), multiple response (MRQ), true or false, and fill in the blank questions. The user responded to each question sequentially, including multiple choice (MCQ), multiple response (MRQ), and other types, maintaining focus and accuracy throughout. Before submitting the practice test, the user reviewed the summary to see which questions were answered and which were not. The user then went back, completed the unanswered questions, and submitted the test. After completing the first practice test, the user proceeded to complete the entire set of practice tests associated with the selected skills. Once the practice tests were completed, the user moved on to the programming questions. These tasks involved writing code for specific problems, compiling it, and observing the output to ensure correctness. To assist the user, a sample program was also provided as a reference. Each selected skill includes mock tests, practice questions, and programming exercises to help users improve their knowledge. In addition, areas such as verbal reasoning, aptitude, and logical reasoning also come with dedicated practice tests to support overall skill development. Additionally, corporate papers are provided to help users prepare for interviews and develop their professional skills. Each corporate paper contains a different set of questions, including aptitude and reasoning problems. Users can attempt these questions to improve their career skills. Each question is provided with the correct answer and a detailed explanation to enhance understanding. Once the test is completed, users have access to the overall test results, allowing them to review their performance on the test they attempted. After successfully completing the course, users can download and view their certificate of completion as proof of their achievement. Get started on your amazing journey with the Right Path Gold plan. Unlock exclusive features, sharpen your skills, and take the next step in your career success.